Welcome back to my channel, guys. Monatology. I am right now in Russell, and we are going to visit a very nice garden out here. So we just had a nice lunch in a Thai restaurant called David Thai Restaurant. Hey, mister. So, I'm gonna explore this beautiful, I don't know what is this. It's a garden that's on the top. It's so beautiful. It's full of flowers. There you go. There you go, guys. The beautiful garden roses. There's another one here. So, it's so relaxing. Here's the last one. You can go in the flowers right there. So there you go. Isn't it awesome, guys? There's a fountain here, I think. Let me see. The fountain. Even the fountain. Yes, there's fountain. Seriously fountain here.